Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and utterly captivated as we bring you the jaw-dropping, mind-bending world of mega machines and industrial titans like you've never seen before. If you thought technology was limited to sleek smartphones and flashy gadgets, think again. We're diving into the roaring engines and earth-shaking powerhouses that shape our planet. One scoop, haul, and push at a time. This is Tech New Tip, the ultimate channel for thrill seekers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who can't get enough of humanity's most mind-blowing creations. Subscribe now and join the ride as we uncover the stories, specs, and sheer brilliance behind these mechanical monsters. Because here at Tech New Tip, we don't just talk about machines, we bring them to life. The future is heavy duty. Let's crush expectations, one episode at a time. See you in the comments. Behold the Ever Alot, a true titan of the seas. This isn't just a ship. It's a floating megastructure, a marvel of engineering and a key player in global trade. Ever wondered how the world stays connected? Well, this is your answer. Behold the Ever Alot, a true titan of the seas. This isn't just a ship. It's a floating megastructure, a marvel of engineering and a key player in global trade. Ever wondered how the world stays connected? Well, this is your answer. Ever Alot's heart lies in its state-of-the-art engine room. This beast is powered by an advanced engine that not only propels it across the globe, but does so while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Talk about a green giant. This megaship travels thousands of nautical miles, connecting continents and ensuring the smooth flow of trade. From electronics and clothing to machinery and raw materials, Ever Alot carries the lifeblood of modern economies. To put its size into perspective, if you stood Ever Alot upright, it would tower over most skyscrapers. And its deck area? It's like having a small town floating on water. Ever Alot isn't just a ship. It's a symbol of human ambition and innovation. A steel leviathan connecting people, places, and possibilities. It silently works behind the scenes, delivering the future one container at a time. Feast your eyes on this colossal masterpiece, the HMM Algeciras. A titan of the seas, this isn't just a ship. It's a floating fortress of commerce, redefining global trade one voyage at a time. Stretching an awe-inspiring 399.9 meters, HMM Algeciras is one of the largest container ships in the world. Picture this. It's longer than the Eiffel Tower, is tall, and as wide as an 18-lane highway. Now that's a big ship. But size isn't its only claim to fame. Algeciras boasts an incredible carrying capacity of 23,964 TEU containers. That's nearly 24,000 containers, each potentially filled with electronics, machinery, food supplies, and everything in between. Imagine the amount of stuff this ship delivers. Mind-blowing, right? And it's not just about size, it's about responsibility. HMM Algeciras is equipped with an eco-friendly engine that drastically reduces carbon emissions. With cutting-edge technologies like scrubbers to clean exhaust gases, this ship represents the future of sustainable shipping. From South Korea to Europe, HMM Algeciras connects continents, ensuring goods reach their destinations on time. Ports buzz with activity as this massive ship unloads its cargo, fueling industries and economies worldwide. Here's a fun fact. Fully loaded, HMM Algeciras weighs over 228,283 deadweight tons. That's equivalent to the weight of nearly 12 Eiffel Towers. And its deck area? It's like fitting 3.5 football fields side by side. Algeciras isn't just a ship. It's a modern marvel, a lifeline for the global economy and a symbol of innovation and ambition. Every journey it undertakes reshapes the world in ways we often take for granted. Welcome aboard the Symphony of the Seas, a floating city, a masterpiece of luxury, and the largest cruise ship in the world. This isn't just a ship, it's an experience, a symphony of engineering and entertainment on the high seas. Stretching a staggering 362 meters, that's longer than the height of the Eiffel Tower, the Symphony of the Seas can host up to 6,680 passengers and over 2,200 crew members. It's a marvel of modern engineering, offering a vacation like no other. This isn't just a ship, it's a city at sea, divided into 7 unique neighborhoods. Stroll through the lush greenery of Central Park with over 20,000 real plants, or head to the boardwalk for a carnival-like vibe. And the pool deck? It's a water lover's paradise with 23 pools, whirlpools, and water slides. The Symphony of the Seas is a stage for endless entertainment. Watch dazzling Broadway-style performances, catch jaw-dropping high dives at the Aqua Theater, or take a leap of faith on the ultimate abyss, the tallest slide at sea. Craving a culinary adventure? This ship has you covered with over 20 dining options, from elegant fine dining to grab-and-go favorites. Sushi, steak, pizza, or even robot-made cocktails. Whatever you fancy, it's all here. But what powers this behemoth? Symphony of the Seas runs on 3 16-cylinder Wärtsilä engines, producing enough energy to power a small city. Behind the scenes, a team of engineers ensures smooth sailing 24/7. Here's a fun fact. Symphony of the Seas is as tall as a 20-story building and has more than 2,759 staterooms. It's like carrying the population of a small town across the ocean. The Symphony of the Seas is more than a cruise ship. It's a dream come true for adventurers, families, and dreamers alike. It's a testament to human ingenuity, bringing together luxury, fun, and exploration in perfect harmony. So, are you ready to set sail on the Symphony of the Seas? Let us know in the comments what excites you the most about this incredible ship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys into the world of engineering and travel. Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and utterly captivated as we bring you the jaw-dropping, mind-bending world of mega machines and industrial titans like you've never seen before. If you thought technology was limited to sleek smartphones and flashy gadgets, think again. We're diving into the roaring engines and earth-shaking powerhouses that shape our planet. One scoop, haul, and push at a time. This is Tech New Tip, the ultimate channel for thrill seekers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who can't get enough of humanity's most mind-blowing creations. Subscribe now and join the ride as we uncover the stories, specs, and sheer brilliance behind these mechanical monsters. Because here at Tech New Tip, we don't just talk about machines, we bring them to life. The future is heavy duty. Let's crush expectations, one episode at a time. See you in the comments. Imagine a machine so massive that it's nicknamed the Lying Eiffel Tower. This is the overburdened conveyor bridge F60, a colossal structure stretching an astonishing 502 meters, over 1,600 feet in length. That's longer than 5 football fields end to end. It stands as a testament to human engineering prowess, a machine designed not just to move Earth, but to reshape entire landscapes. This mechanical leviathan was built for one purpose: to transport massive amounts of overburden, the layers of soil and rock covering valuable coal seams. And it doesn't just move dirt, it devours it. The F60 operates like a conveyor belt on steroids, effortlessly transporting 29,000 tons of material per hour, all while gliding across the Earth on its massive tracks. But its size isn't the only thing jaw-dropping. The F60 is also surprisingly nimble for its dimensions. Its design allows it to tilt and adjust its position with remarkable precision, ensuring that mining operations stay efficient and on track. Watching it in action is like seeing a giant from a fantasy world come to life, methodically carving out pathways and leaving behind an altered terrain. Despite its industrial might, the F60 has become more than just a workhorse. Today, it's also a tourist attraction, a symbol of the blending of engineering and cultural history. Visitors to Germany can walk beneath its towering frame and marvel at a machine that once reshaped the Earth and now inspires awe. The F60 isn't just a machine, it's a monument to what humans can achieve when they dare to think big. Really, really big. If the Eiffel Tower rises to the heavens, the F60 lays down its legacy on the ground, reminding us that sometimes greatness lies in the horizontal. Case 2050M Dozer, a beast engineered to dominate construction sites, reshape rugged terrains, and tackle challenges that would make lesser machines tremble. This isn't just a dozer, it's a revolution in how we conquer the Earth. The Case 2050M isn't afraid to get its hands dirty, whether it's carving through steep inclines, leveling massive mounds of dirt, or slogging through mud and rubble. Its robust engine and impeccable design make it a titan of productivity, capable of moving mountains without breaking a sweat. When the ground gets tough, the 2050M gets tougher, bulldozing through challenges with unmatched power and efficiency. But what truly sets this machine apart is its attention to detail, designed with operators in mind. Step into the cab of the Case 2050M, and you're greeted with a panoramic view thanks to floor-to-ceiling glass. Operators gain an unobstructed look at the blade, tracks, and work site, turning potential blind spots into clear paths. It's not just about visibility, it's about control. The interior feels more like the cockpit of a cutting-edge vehicle than a bulldozer. Dust, noise, and debris? Not here. The advanced sealing system ensures a clean, quiet environment, allowing operators to focus on the task at hand. Combine that with ergonomic controls and a suite of intuitive features, and you've got a machine that not only works hard, but works smart. And let's talk durability. The Case 2050M isn't just a dozer, it's a tank in disguise. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, it thrives where others falter. Rain, shine, mud, or rock, this workhorse powers through it all, delivering consistent performance day after day. Its reinforced frame and cutting-edge hydraulics ensure that it doesn't just survive tough jobs, but dominates them. One of the standout features of the 2050M is its adaptability. Need precision grading? Check. Have a mountain of rubble to clear? Done. With a suite of attachments and blade options, this machine becomes whatever you need it to be. It's not just a tool, it's your ultimate ally on the construction site. What makes the 2050M truly legendary is its promise of reliability. Downtime is the enemy on any job site, but this dozer comes armed with diagnostics that catch issues before they escalate. Its proactive monitoring system ensures you spend less time fixing and more time pushing boundaries, literally. In the world of heavy machinery, the Case 2050M dozer isn't just another bulldozer. It's a statement. It's proof that power and precision can coexist. It's a testament to innovation that doesn't just meet expectations, but shatters them. For those who dream big, who refuse to settle for mediocrity, the Case 2050M is your machine. It's not just moving dirt, it's moving the future, one epic push at a time. M9, Armored Combat Earthmover, ACE. It's not just a bulldozer or a tractor, it's a battlefield engineer's dream come to life, built to tame the earth and conquer chaos in the most unforgiving environments. The M9 ACE is no ordinary piece of machinery. This armored behemoth is a hybrid of a tank and a bulldozer, designed with a single, relentless purpose: to shape the terrain to meet the military's demands. Whether it's digging defensive trenches, clearing obstacles, or preparing roads for rapid troop movement, the M9 AC is the unsung hero that lays the groundwork, literally, for tactical success. At first glance, the M9 Ace looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Its sleek yet robust design screams power, but it's the functionality underneath that turns heads. Armed with a hydraulically operated dozer blade, the Ace can plow through anything in its path, be it dense soil, rocks, or even debris from a recent battle. And when it's not pushing or plowing, it transforms into a giant scoop, using its 8.7 cubic yard capacity bucket to dig deep or haul material. But the M9 AC doesn't stop there. Unlike civilian earthmovers, it's armored to withstand direct fire and shrapnel, ensuring the safety of its operator even in hostile environments. It's not just a tool for construction. It's a shielded fortress on tracks, ready to roll into the thick of combat and get the job done under fire. One of its most jaw-dropping features is its mobility. Despite its heavy-duty appearance, the M9 AC is surprisingly agile. Thanks to its hydro-pneumatic suspension system, it can adjust its height to suit the terrain, allowing it to climb steep inclines, ford rivers, and even flatten rough surfaces with ease. This adaptability ensures that no obstacle is too great and no battlefield too challenging for this powerhouse. Inside, the M9 Ace is a testament to smart engineering. The operator's cab is fortified yet surprisingly ergonomic, designed to keep the soldier comfortable and focused during grueling missions. Advanced controls and intuitive systems make operation straightforward, ensuring that even in the heat of battle, this machine performs flawlessly. But what truly makes the M9 Ace a game changer is its versatility. Need a defensive position dug in record time? The M9 Ace can create a trench faster than you can imagine. Need a barrier removed from the path of advancing forces? It'll bulldoze through it like a knife through butter. From clearing landmines to constructing berms, the Ace is the Swiss Army knife of military engineering vehicles. And let's not forget its speed. Unlike traditional heavy machinery, the M9 Ace can move at an impressive pace, reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. This means it can keep up with advancing troops, providing real-time support that's critical in fast-paced operations. The M9 Ace isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a force multiplier. It allows armies to dictate the terrain, turning natural disadvantages into strategic advantages. It's the reason soldiers can advance confidently, knowing that the path ahead will be cleared, fortified, and ready for action. In a world where technology and brute strength converge, the M9 Armored Combat Earth Mover stands as a marvel of modern engineering. It's not just moving dirt, it's moving the boundaries of what's possible on the battlefield. Whether in the heat of combat or the calm before the storm, the M9 AC is the machine that transforms the landscape of war. For those who demand the ultimate combination of power, precision, and protection, the M9 Ace isn't just a machine, it's a legend in the making. It's not just shaping the Earth, it's shaping the future of military engineering. ChatGPT call the Mac Loi. Hai Kiem Trakach Thong Tin Quan Trong. M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicle, ABV. A juggernaut of destruction and ingenuity, designed to open paths in the most hostile and unforgiving battlefields. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a game changer, a literal battering ram of progress for the modern military. Nicknamed the Shredder by some, the M1150 ABV is what happens when a tank and an engineering marvel combine. Built on the indomitable M1 Abrams tank chassis, the ABV takes toughness to the next level. But instead of a gun turret, this monster is armed with tools of total terrain domination. A mine-clearing plow, line charges for explosive detonation, and the raw power to plow through obstacles that would stop lesser machines dead in their tracks. When you first lay eyes on the M1150, its presence alone is enough to inspire awe. At over 12 feet wide and weighing in at nearly 72 tons, this behemoth is built to intimidate. But it's not just about size, it's about the devastating efficiency with which it clears the way. Mines, barricades, wire entanglements, nothing stands a chance when the ABV comes roaring onto the scene. Its mine-clearing blade is a marvel of engineering, slicing through the ground and exposing deadly explosives that could halt troop movements. But the ABV doesn't just stop there. It's equipped with an ingenious tool called the MICLIC, short for Mine Clearing Line Charge. Imagine a rocket-propelled rope laced with explosives, shot across a minefield to detonate everything in its path. That's the MICLIC in action, and it's as spectacular as it sounds. When it's deployed, the result is a breathtaking wall of fire and thunder, leaving behind a clear and safe path for advancing forces. The M1150 isn't just about brute strength, it's about precision. Its operators are highly trained specialists, capable of maneuvering this colossal machine with the finesse of a surgeon. Whether it's clearing a narrow corridor through a minefield or creating a breach in a fortified wall, the ABV does it all with unmatched accuracy. What makes the M1150 even more extraordinary is its armor. Built to withstand direct hits from enemy fire, this vehicle doesn't flinch in the face of danger. Its reinforced hull protects both the crew and the sensitive systems inside, ensuring that it can perform its mission no matter what the battlefield throws at it. And let's not overlook its mobility. Despite its immense size and weight, the M1150 can move with surprising agility. With a top speed of over 40 miles per hour, it can keep up with frontline forces, ensuring that no unit is ever left vulnerable while waiting for a path to be cleared. Every detail of the M1150 screams efficiency and dominance. Inside, the operator's cabin is equipped with advanced controls and monitoring systems. allowing the crew to handle complex missions seamlessly. The blend of cutting-edge technology and raw power makes this vehicle the ultimate tool for modern warfare. But what truly sets the M1150 apart is its role as a force multiplier. It doesn't just clear obstacles, it transforms the battlefield. By opening safe and rapid pathways, it enables troops to advance where they otherwise couldn't, turning impossible missions into triumphant victories. The M1150 ABV has proven its worth time and time again. From its deployment in Iraq and Afghanistan to training exercises across the globe, this vehicle has been the backbone of countless successful operations. Its ability to clear paths, create breaches, and shield advancing forces has made it an indispensable asset in modern military strategy. In the heat of battle, when every second counts and the stakes couldn't be higher, the M1150 assault breacher vehicle is the ultimate ally. It doesn't just clear the way, it paves the road to victory. It's not just a machine, it's a masterpiece of military engineering, a symbol of innovation and strength that redefines what's possible on the battlefield. For those who dare to take on the most dangerous terrains and the fiercest opposition, the M1150 is there, roaring to life and reminding the world that no obstacle is too great when you have the right tools at your side. The M1150 assault breacher vehicle isn't just leading the charge, it's shaping the very landscape of war. M105. Compact Dozer isn't just a machine, it's a revelation. Packed with power and precision, this compact bulldozer proves that size doesn't define capability. If you've ever doubted that something small could be game-changing, let the M105 blow your expectations out of the water. At first glance, you might be tempted to underestimate the M105. It doesn't tower over its surroundings, nor does it have the crushing weight of its larger counterparts. But don't let its modest stature fool you. Beneath its sleek, compact exterior lies a beast of engineering genius, ready to tackle the toughest challenges with unparalleled agility and finesse. Let's start with the specs, because the numbers alone are enough to impress. The M105 is powered by a robust engine designed to deliver a jaw-dropping amount of torque. This compact powerhouse can push, pull, and carve through earth with a strength that rivals larger machines. Whether it's working on urban construction sites, maintaining narrow roadways, or shaping delicate landscapes, the M105 delivers performance that's nothing short of extraordinary. What truly sets the M105 apart is its versatility. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a multi-tool on tracks. With customizable attachments and cutting-edge controls, this machine can be transformed to suit almost any task. Need to grade a slope with surgical precision? The M105 has got you covered. Facing tight corners or restricted spaces, this dozer maneuvers like a dream, making it an invaluable asset in situations where larger equipment simply can't operate. But power and versatility are just the beginning. The M105 is a marvel of modern technology, featuring advanced systems that elevate its capabilities to new heights. Its operator cabin is a tech lover's paradise, equipped with state-of-the-art controls that provide unmatched precision. Intuitive joysticks, responsive displays, and real-time feedback make operating this machine a seamless and satisfying experience. It's not just about moving dirt, it's about doing so with a level of control that feels almost artistic. And let's talk about efficiency. In an era where sustainability and cost-effectiveness are paramount, the M105 shines as a beacon of smart design. Its compact size means it consumes less fuel than its larger counterparts, reducing both emissions and operating costs. But don't mistake efficiency for weakness. This little dynamo still packs enough punch to handle even the most demanding jobs. What's more, the M105's compact size isn't just a practical advantage, it's a strategic one. On crowded work sites where space is at a premium, this machine excels. It can slip into tight spots, navigate narrow paths, and operate in environments that would leave larger equipment sidelined. This ability to go where others can't makes the M105 an indispensable tool for modern construction, maintenance, and landscaping. And then there's its durability. The M105 is built to last, designed to withstand the harshest conditions and the most grueling workloads. Its rugged frame, reinforced components, and reliable engine ensure that it keeps running no matter what the job throws its way. It's not just a machine, it's a trusted partner, ready to perform day after day without compromise. But perhaps the most striking thing about the M105 is the way it Imagine this, a machine so powerful it can crush solid rocks into fine powder by simply rolling over them. Sounds like science fiction, right? But in Germany, this is a groundbreaking reality. Meet the mechanical rock crusher, an engineering masterpiece that transforms rocky, unusable land into fertile soil ready for crops. In agriculture, rocks are a farmer's worst enemy. They block tools, damage equipment, and make cultivating the land an exhausting ordeal. Traditional methods of removing rocks are tedious and labor-intensive, leaving many fields unfit for planting. But Germany, known for its innovation, has developed a machine that tackles this problem with breathtaking efficiency. The magic behind the machine. At the heart of this crusher lies its secret weapon, a spiked iron drum that looks like something straight out of a medieval arsenal. When activated, this drum spins at high speed, pulverizing rocks into dust with relentless force. The result? Perfectly leveled and soft soil, free from the nuisance of stones. But rocks don't just neatly sit on the ground, waiting to be crushed. That's where Germany's ground-turning tractors come in. These tractors dig up to 30 centimeters deep, churning the soil to bring hidden rocks to the surface. Once the rocks are exposed, the crusher rolls over them, leaving nothing but smooth, fertile land in its wake. Multifunctional machines for any challenge. Germany's innovative tools don't stop there. Another type of tractor, equipped with a 4-meter-long sieve, can filter soil while it plows. As the soil passes through the sieve, it separates into 3 categories. Fine soil fit for planting, small stones that are returned to the ground, large rocks that are collected in a rear container for disposal. This meticulous process ensures the land is not only rock-free, but also aerated and ready for planting. And if you're dealing with boulders too big for the crusher, enter the rock cleaning machine, a beast with 3 rotating steel rakes. These rakes comb through the land, collecting stones into a rear container like a giant mechanical claw. It's fast, efficient, and downright mesmerizing to watch. Turning obstacles into opportunities. With these machines, what was once rocky, unusable terrain is transformed into soft, fertile farmland. Farmers no longer have to wage war against stones. They simply let the machines do the heavy lifting. The result is land that's not just ready for planting, but optimized for high-yield crops. What if I told you that smoke, yes, the same smoke that always drifts upward, could flow downward like water? Sounds impossible, right? But with nothing more than a rolled piece of paper, tilted at a 45-degree angle and lit from one end, this unbelievable phenomenon unfolds before your eyes. The moment the paper tube catches fire, something strange happens. Smoke begins to flow downward, accumulating at the bottom in a mesmerizing pile. This defies everything we've been taught. Smoke rises, water flows downward, and gravity always wins. So what's going on here? In our everyday lives, we see smoke drifting upwards because of the heat that carries it. Smoke particles themselves are heavier than air, but they hitch a ride on the rising currents of hot air. However, when the path of this heat is redirected, smoke can follow a different route, downward in this case. Here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just a fluke. The concept can be demonstrated using agar wood incense, which has a hollow structure inside. When lit, the smoke generated by the incense bypasses the rising hot air and flows downward through the hollow channel under the influence of gravity. What you're witnessing isn't magical or due to any special substance in the agar wood. It's simply smoke, behaving in its natural, unaltered state, heavy and sinking when undisturbed by heat. This principle also powers modern inventions like smokeless stoves. By sealing the upward escape route of the smoke and forcing it through a cooled passage, the hot air turns into denser, cooler air, causing the smoke to sink instead of rise. But here's the jaw-dropper. This isn't a new idea. Ancient Chinese engineers figured it out during the Warring States period over 2,000 years ago. Their ingenious designs harnessed the downward flow of smoke long before modern science could explain it. Curious to try it for yourself? Roll a piece of paper into a tube, light it at an angle, and prepare to be amazed. What seems like a simple experiment reveals the profound wisdom of both nature and human ingenuity. It's a reminder that even everyday phenomena can surprise us when we take a closer look. Have you ever seen an unmanned forklift glowing with blue light, gliding across the floor like a robotic vacuum cleaner? If not, let me introduce you to the Kniper HV, the world's smallest and most compact unmanned forklift. It's not just a machine. It's a glimpse into the future of warehouse logistics, where human effort is minimized and efficiency takes center stage. Gone are the days of sweating under the blazing sun while practicing your forklift skills. As you toil away, technology has leapt ahead with innovations like the Kniper HV, a forklift that operates without a human driver. Designed for warehouse logistics and small-scale cargo handling, this futuristic marvel strips down the traditional forklift to just the essentials, the forks, wrapped in a sleek, compact frame. At first glance, it's hard not to wonder, can such a diminutive, driverless machine really get the job done? The answer is a resounding yes. Controlled via Wi-Fi and equipped with a laser scanner for safety, the Kniper HV projects a glowing blue light from its base, scanning its environment to locate and transport goods. It identifies the target cargo, aligns perfectly, slides its forks into the designated slots, and takes off, cruising around the warehouse at an average speed of 3 kilometers per hour. The magic doesn't stop there. Housed in its rear yellow compartment is a cutting-edge battery system that redefines efficiency. With just 10 minutes of charging, the Kniper HV can operate for an impressive 8 hours. Weighing only 120 kilograms, this small powerhouse can carry loads up to 1,000 kilograms, all while maintaining safe operations alongside warehouse staff. Despite its unassuming appearance, the Kniper HV is anything but ordinary. It's incredibly agile, able to navigate tight spaces and adapt its work routes effortlessly thanks to intelligent software. Need to reroute or add new tasks? No problem. Technicians can update its path in moments. Even better, its compact design allows multiple Kniper HV forklifts to collaborate in synchronized operations, turning cluttered warehouses into well-oiled autonomous systems. Think about it. A forklift that doesn't need brakes can handle tons of cargo and works smarter than many of its human counterparts. The Kniper HV isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in logistics. So, what do you think? Isn't this the kind of tech we've been dreaming about? Imagine this, a tractor so tall it can stride over a pickup truck like it's nothing. No, this isn't some science fiction contraption. It's a self-propelled sprayer, a revolutionary piece of farming technology designed to bring efficiency and precision to agriculture. The jaw-dropping demonstration of this machine stepping over vehicles is just a glimpse of its capabilities. In the world of farming, pest control is inevitable. With sprawling fields covering dozens of acres, manual pesticide application is not just inefficient, it's nearly impossible. Enter the self-propelled sprayer, also known as a high-clearance sprayer, a machine engineered to tackle large-scale pest problems with ease and speed. So, what makes it special? The sprayer's defining feature is its towering height. With an adjustable chassis clearance of 1.93 meters, over 6 feet, it glides effortlessly over crops without damaging them. The height is remote controllable, allowing it to adapt to the size of the crops being treated. Its massive container can hold up to 6 tons of pesticide, ensuring that even the largest fields can be sprayed in one go. This machine is a giant in every sense of the word. At 9.65 meters long and 4.06 meters tall, it spreads its spray arms like wings, covering an incredible 12-meter wide area in a single pass. As it rolls through fields, pesticides are efficiently dispersed, achieving what would take hours for a team of workers to accomplish in mere minutes. Flexibility meets power. When dealing with taller crops, the sprayer can switch its setup using a rear-mounted spray fan to reach higher areas. With its 4-wheel hydraulic drive system, it eliminates the need for axles or gearboxes, giving it unparalleled flexibility in tough terrain. And with a top speed of 34 kilometers per hour, it doesn't just crawl through fields, it races. But this isn't just a field machine. Stuck in traffic? No problem. Thanks to its towering clearance, it can literally drive over obstacles. The machine's unique height advantage makes it a head-turner on the road and a game-changer in the field. The catch? This marvel of engineering is a dream machine, but it's not for everyone. With its advanced features and massive size, it's tailored for large-scale farmers. If you're not a farm owner, getting behind the controls of one of these might remain just that, a dream. Imagine a machine so powerful that every time it slams into the ground, you can almost feel the earth shake beneath your feet, even through a screen. Meet the concrete road breaker, a technological marvel that takes destruction to a whole new level, turning once solid highways into piles of rubble with brute force. The challenge of modern roads. Concrete roads are built to last, prized for their durability and strength. But nothing lasts forever. Heavy traffic, weather, and time take their toll, leaving even the sturdiest roads cracked and crumbling. Repairing these surfaces is no easy task, as their very strength becomes a hurdle to overcome. Traditional methods of breaking up concrete are slow, labor-intensive, and far from efficient. That's where these machines come in, blending raw power with precision. The Titan Hammer. The star of the show is a concrete road breaker with a hammer that could make Thor jealous. Designed like a guillotine, it features a rectangular steel head weighing 5.4 tons. As the machine rolls forward, this massive hammer is repeatedly hoisted and dropped, delivering crushing blows to the concrete below. Each strike sends a shockwave through the road, fracturing it into chunks. The hammer's drop height can be adjusted electrically, reaching up to 2.74 meters for maximum impact. In its most efficient mode, this beast can slam the road 35 times per minute, making short work of even the most stubborn surfaces. Precision demolition. But the show doesn't end there. Once the main hammer has done its job, another machine steps in to handle the finer details. The multi-hammer finisher, as it's known, is equipped with a series of smaller hammers at the rear. Unlike the main hammer, these work at different frequencies to break the leftover chunks into finer debris, ensuring no piece of concrete is left untouched. After the concrete is reduced to manageable rubble, workers or additional machines clear away the debris, paving the way for a fresh layer of road to be laid down. Efficiency that shakes the ground. Watching these machines at work is both mesmerizing and unnerving. The sheer power of the hammer blows can make onlookers feel as though they're experiencing a mild earthquake. The sight of the road buckling and breaking under each strike is a reminder of how far engineering has come. With these machines, what used to be a painstakingly slow process has become a display of raw, mechanical efficiency. They prove that sometimes the simplest approach, breaking things down with sheer force, is the most effective. So, the next time you see a smooth, freshly paved road, remember the giant, earth-shaking machines that made it possible. Caterpillar D9, a machine so robust, so relentless, that it has earned its place as an indestructible icon in the world of heavy equipment. Since its debut in the 1950s, the D9 hasn't just survived, it has thrived, proving time and again that classics aren't just built to last, they're built to dominate. The story of the Caterpillar D9 begins in the rugged terrains and unforgiving conditions of mining and construction sites. Weighing in at a colossal 49 tons and powered by an impressive 474 horsepower engine, this bulldozer doesn't just move earth, it transforms landscapes. From carving through rocky hillsides to clearing dense forests, the D9's raw power makes it an unstoppable force. But power alone doesn't make a legend. What sets the D9 apart is its elevated sprocket design, a feature that not only enhances maneuverability, but also reduces wear and tear on its undercarriage. This innovative design allows the D9 to glide through rough terrains with an agility that seems almost supernatural for a machine of its size. While other bulldozers falter under the weight of challenging conditions, the D9 thrives, tackling every obstacle with unwavering confidence. The Caterpillar D9 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a testament to engineering excellence. Its design has evolved over decades, incorporating cutting-edge technology while staying true to its roots. The D9's legendary durability has made it a go-to choice for industries where failure isn't an option. In mining and forestry operations, where machines are pushed to their limits, the D9 shines as a beacon of reliability. It's not uncommon to see older models still hard at work, their engines roaring as they tackle tasks that would leave newer machines in the dust. If you think machinery has an expiration date, the D9 is here to rewrite the rules. What truly cements the D9's status as an icon isn't just its brute strength, it's the intelligence behind its design. Caterpillar has continuously refined the D9 to include modern features that enhance both performance and efficiency. The elevated sprocket, for example, not only improves the bulldozer's ability to navigate rough terrain, but also minimizes maintenance needs, saving time and money for operators. Paired with an optional rear ripper and a formidable front blade, the D9 is a versatile powerhouse capable of ripping through compacted soil, grading slopes, and even breaking through rock-hard surfaces. This is a machine that doesn't just do the job, it dominates it, proving that smart engineering is the ultimate force multiplier. While most machines are phased out after a few decades, the Caterpillar D9 continues to evolve and adapt. Its legacy began in 1954 with the prototype D9X, and it has only grown stronger with each iteration. Today's flagship model, the D9T, incorporates advanced features like automated controls and real-time monitoring systems, ensuring that the D9 remains as relevant as ever. In an industry obsessed with what's next, the D9 stands tall as a reminder that some designs are simply timeless. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of endurance, a machine that refuses to be outpaced or outclassed. What makes the Caterpillar D9 truly remarkable is its adaptability. This is a bulldozer that doesn't just perform, it thrives in the harshest environments. Whether it's clearing debris in the aftermath of natural disasters carving paths through dense forests, or operating in extreme mining conditions, the D9 never backs down. Its ability to endure while delivering unparalleled performance has earned it a cult following among operators and industry professionals. For those who rely on heavy machinery to get the job done, the D9 isn't just a tool, it's a trusted ally. Standing. Welcome to Tech New Tip, where the world's most powerful, awe-inspiring machines come to life. From the colossal Bell-Az 75710 with a payload that could swallow smaller trucks, to the mighty Tyson gantry crane, which holds the world record for lifting a jaw-dropping 20,000 tons, we explore the giants that keep our industries moving forward. Whether they're reaching for the skies, digging through mountains, or going underwater, each machine has a story, a purpose, and cutting-edge technology that makes it possible. Dive deep with us as we uncover the secrets of machines like the SCC 86000TM crawler crane, the Hitachi Zosen TBM, and the incredible Kraken 13000 that operates 3,000 meters below the ocean surface. Whether it's helicopters handling extreme rescue missions, excavators tearing through solid rock, or rocket transporters that inch along at a steady mile per hour with precious cargo, Tech New Tip brings you up close to the most extraordinary machines from every corner of the world. Beyond its strength, the Vermeer T1255 also stands out for its ability to operate with precision in sensitive environments. Mining companies around the world rely on it for projects where blasting is not feasible, and each job it completes redefines what's possible in surface mining. The Vermeer T1255 isn't just a machine, it's a master of terrain, transforming the way we access Earth's resources, one level pass at a time. The machine approached its first target, a towering straight tree. As it drew near, the cutting head extended its arms like an embrace, holding the trunk securely. With a swift motion, the electric saw at the bottom sprang to life, spinning rapidly. In seconds, the tree was cut and held by the machine's firm grip. With a quick twist, the tree turned horizontally and the cutting head glided along its length, stripping away branches effortlessly. The once leafy giant was transformed into a smooth, clean trunk. But there was more to the cutting head than met the eye. Observing closely, one would notice three distinct parts. At the middle, two directional pulleys guided the trunk smoothly, while mechanical grips at the top and bottom held it firmly in place. As it moved, the pulleys pulled the trunk forward, while the saw sliced away in sync. Piece by piece, the machine segmented the trunk, leaving a stack of straight, manageable sections ready for transport to the mill. With every slice, the logging machine optimized the workload. By cutting each trunk into segments right at the forest's edge, it reduced the bulk for transportation, cutting costs and labor alike. But, like all technology, it had its limits. This machine was designed for the tall, straight giants of the forest. When a crooked tree stood in its path, it had to call in its partner, a more versatile machine with a 270-degree rotating electric saw. This saw was adaptable, able to trim branches or even reach down to grind stumps left in the ground. So, as it turned to tackle this new challenge, the machine continued its rhythm, removing obstacles with precision. By day's end, it left behind a neatly cleared section of forest, transformed by its efficiency and strength. Isn't it amazing how a machine can work with such mastery and ease, shaping the forest as if it were simply following the steps of a well-rehearsed dance? Imagine standing in a vast open mining site under the blazing sun, surrounded by mountains of raw earth and stone. Amid the hum of heavy machinery, there's a sound that seems to vibrate the ground itself, a low, rumbling giant that makes everything around it seem small. That's the Belaz E75710, the largest haul truck in the world, and it's here to move mountains. Now picture this. In 2014, at one of the largest mining sites in Siberia, the crew faced a daunting task. Massive amounts of material had to be transported across the rough, uneven terrain in record time. It was a job that would have taken a fleet of trucks, but the Belaz 75710 took on the challenge alone. Powered by two 2,300 horsepower engines, it rolled into action, with each tire towering over a human, each capable of bearing thousands of pounds of weight. As the story goes, some workers on the ground were doubtful. How could even a machine like this haul such loads across such distance without constantly breaking down? But as it moved load after load with effortless power, the doubts faded. The Belaz E75710 kept at it, day after day, proving it wasn't just big, it was built to last. In a single haul, it moved over 450 tons of earth, a load that would normally take 3 or 4 trucks. To this day, it's still hard to comprehend its scale until you see it in action. This mighty truck remains a legend in the mining world, a symbol of how innovation can redefine what's possible in the most demanding environments on Earth. With every load it carries, the Belaz E75710 tells a story of strength, resilience, and engineering brilliance that has pushed mining into a whole new era. Picture yourself at the edge of a massive shipyard in China, surrounded by towering structures, industrial clamor, and a faint, salty breeze from the nearby sea. In the middle of it all stands a behemoth like no other, the Faceoff gantry crane, the world's most powerful gantry crane, and a machine with a reputation so legendary that it's known as the Goliath of the shipyard. Here's a story that shows why. In 2008, engineers at Yantai Raffles shipyard faced a problem. They needed to assemble entire sections of offshore oil platforms onshore. This approach promised better precision and safety, but it demanded a crane that could lift sections weighing up to 20,000 tons, the weight of 3 Eiffel Towers. No crane in the world could handle such a load at the time, so they built one, Faceoff. The day Faceoff was tested for the first time, the entire crew held their breath. A massive steel module weighing 17,100 tons was strapped in, and as Faceoff hoisted it high into the sky, you could hear a pin drop. People on the ground were awestruck as the massive crane lifted the load effortlessly, like it was made of air. Faceoff didn't just pass the test. It set a world record, and it's held that title ever since. Today, Tyson allows engineers to construct offshore platforms faster and safer, lifting entire structures from land to sea with ease. It's not just a crane, it's a marvel of engineering, a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. The Tyson gantry crane continues to push boundaries, proving that even the heaviest of dreams can be lifted if we have the strength to build the right tools. Imagine a rugged, uneven landscape covered in solid rock, where traditional mining methods struggle to make headway. Enter the Vermeer T1255 terrain leveler, a machine specifically designed to conquer the toughest surfaces in surface mining and construction. Equipped with a powerful rotating cutting drum, this terrain leveler isn't just about brute force. It's a precision tool that carves through rock and earth, creating level surfaces quickly and efficiently. In a remote desert mining operation, the Vermeer T1255 was called in to tackle a particularly challenging project. The goal was to mine a valuable mineral deposit that lay under layers of hard sandstone, layers too tough for standard mining equipment. Traditional blasting wasn't an option, as it would disrupt the environment and risk damaging the mineral. T1255 took on the challenge with ease. As its cutting drum rotated at high speeds, it sliced through the hard sandstone like a hot knife through butter. With each pass, the machine left a smooth, level surface, allowing the crew to access the mineral deposit with minimal environmental impact. Its advanced GPS controls and precision leveling technology ensured that each cut was perfectly aligned, reducing the need for secondary equipment and allowing for faster, more efficient production. Beyond its strength, the Vermeer T1255 also stands out for its ability to operate with precision in sensitive environments. Mining companies around the world rely on it for projects where blasting is not feasible, and each job it completes redefines what's possible in surface mining. The Vermeer T1255 isn't just a machine, it's a master of terrain, transforming the way we access Earth's resources, one level pass at a time. Let me take you into the heart of a bustling wood processing workshop, where the incredible Smart Cut automatic saw transforms raw logs into perfect, even pieces with ease and precision. As workers began their day, they gathered around the machine, admiring its bright orange frame and high-tech design. One worker picked up a long piece of wood, holding it carefully as he positioned it in front of the machine's mouth. With a slight push, he fed the wood into the machine, and in an instant, zip, the long plank vanished into the Smart Cut's core. A moment later, several identical wood blocks emerged from the other end, neatly cut and ready for transport. The orange cutting head moved rhythmically from left to right, powered by a high-speed electric saw nestled inside. As it shifted inward to make the cuts, a pipe at the side puffed out the sawdust, keeping the work area clear. A small baffle at the bottom of the machine was set to adjust each piece's length, up to 52 centimeters if needed, and each time it was adjusted, the cut wood would slide down a conveyor belt directly into the waiting truck bed. one unique feature caught the workers' attention: an optical sensor on the saw. This sensor watched for wood, and the moment a new piece was detected, the saw spun to life. When nothing was present, it automatically stopped, preserving energy and minimizing wear. But for the days when the job required even more speed, there was another machine, a 4-slot drum saw. As it rotated, the 4 slots continuously ate pieces of wood, slicing them even faster than the original Smart Cut, with cutting speeds 2 to 3 times as fast. Workers simply adjusted the length by moving a lever at the side, and this machine would spit out piece after piece in perfect, identical sizes. Within minutes, what had once been a pile of raw timber was now an orderly stack of wood blocks, ready for shipment. As the workshop buzzed with efficiency, the workers marveled at how such a machine could transform wood processing from a laborious task into a seamless operation. Isn't it amazing how much technology can change something as simple as cutting wood? Imagine standing by the railway on a brisk morning and seeing a train unlike any other slowly rolling along the track. It doesn't carry passengers or cargo. Instead, it has 2 hydraulic arms extended out to either side, pushing stones and soil away as it moves forward, leaving a perfectly leveled surface in its wake. This unique train is a switch leveling vehicle, or more simply, a track lift vehicle, designed for the specialized job of keeping the tracks in prime condition. As it moves forward, you notice the hydraulic arms in action. Initially folded against the train's side, these arms extend outward when they reach a section needing leveling. Controlled by a hydraulic system, the leveling plate at the end of each arm lowers precisely to the ground, where it begins to scrape away any uneven stones and soil along the sides of the track. This smoothing process isn't just for aesthetics. It's essential for proper drainage, which keeps the track free from erosion and extends its service life. And as if that weren't enough, this train has another trick up its sleeve. After a snowfall, ice and snow build up along the rails, creating a hazard for regular trains. That's when the switch leveling vehicle's snow clearing capability shines. Its arms push the snow to the sides, while the leveling plate makes a final pass, leaving the tracks clear and safe. Whether it's leveling soil, pushing aside stones, or clearing snow, this machine is an unsung hero, quietly maintaining the railway infrastructure that keeps trains running safely and efficiently. Isn't it amazing how a train can do so much without ever carrying a single passenger? Imagine a train creeping forward on a snow-covered track, its black, rotating disc spinning furiously at the front. Snow flies in every direction, clearing the way for other trains to pass safely. This is no ordinary locomotive. It's a steam snowblower, an invention born from the harsh winters of the past. At the heart of this machine is that constantly rotating black disc, designed with layered blades. As the train moves, the blades scoop up the snow in front of it. Inside the machine, a powerful blower then pushes the collected snow to the sides of the track, leaving a clear path behind. The operation of this fascinating train begins with a fiery ritual. Workers first load wood strips soaked in gasoline into the furnace and ignite them, creating a blaze to preheat the steam engine. Once the system is ready, they shovel coal into the heating furnace, cranking the steam engine to life. A loud whistle pierces the cold air, and the transmission rod kicks into motion, setting the black disc spinning. The snowblower is ready to work. Despite its ingenious design, this classic snowblower has its limitations. Its efficiency, impressive in its time, pales compared to modern technology. Enter the next generation snowblower, a machine equipped with not one but 4 rotating blades. 2 additional rotating devices further enhance its power. This advanced model can handle an astounding 15,000 tons of snow per hour, clearing tracks with unmatched speed and precision. The steam snowblower may be an older technology, but it laid the foundation for modern snow clearing models. Isn't it incredible to think how these machines, with their roaring furnaces and spinning blades, continue to battle winter's fury to keep the rails open? Welcome to Tech New Tip. Discover the power of progress. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and utterly captivated as we bring you the jaw-dropping, mind-bending world of mega machines and industrial titans like you've never seen before. If you thought technology was limited to sleek smartphones and flashy gadgets, think again. We're diving into the roaring engines and earth-shaking powerhouses that shape our planet. One scoop, haul, and push at a time. This is Tech New Tip, the ultimate channel for thrill seekers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who can't get enough of humanity's most mind-blowing creations. Subscribe now and join the ride as we uncover the stories, specs, and sheer brilliance behind these mechanical monsters. Because here at Tech New Tip, we don't just talk about machines, we bring them to life. The future is heavy duty. Let's crush expectations, one episode at a time. See you in the comments. Introducing the P&H 4100 XPC electric mining shovel, a heavy-duty mining machine designed to tackle the biggest and toughest jobs on the planet. This electric shovel is a true titan in the world of mining equipment, built to handle mountains of rock and ore with ease. With a bucket capacity of 82 cubic yards, enough to fill an entire room, this shovel can lift up to 120 tons in a single scoop. That's like lifting 60 cars at once, effortlessly. It's the go-to machine for some of the world's largest open-pit mines, moving massive quantities of earth to extract valuable resources. Powered by an advanced electric drive system, the P&H 4100 XPC is designed not only for power, but for efficiency. Unlike diesel-powered shovels, it relies on electricity, making it a cleaner and more cost-effective solution for large-scale mining operations. 4100XPC requires finesse and skill, and the high-tech cabin is designed for comfort and precision. With its joystick controls, digital monitoring systems, and ergonomic seat, the operator can control this massive machine with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that each load is as efficient as possible. H4100XPC is built to work 24/7 in the harshest conditions, from freezing cold to blazing heat. Its sturdy construction and advanced electronics mean it can keep going long after others would quit. When it comes to moving the Earth, the P&H 4100 XPC electric mining shovel is a legend. It's a machine that embodies strength, efficiency, and the relentless drive of modern mining technology. For mining giants around the world, this shovel is the ultimate. New Holland, D180, a bulldozer so advanced, it feels more like piloting a futuristic vehicle than operating heavy machinery. This isn't just a tool for moving dirt. It's an experience designed to make even the toughest jobs feel effortless. As you climb into the cab of the New Holland D180, you're greeted by a sight that instantly sets it apart. High-tech monitors glow softly, displaying real-time stats about the machine's performance. These aren't just fancy gadgets, they're lifelines, proactively alerting the operator to any potential issues before they escalate. Imagine being able to avoid costly breakdowns simply because your bulldozer warned you in advance. That's the D180 at work, ensuring maximum uptime and minimal stress. But the magic doesn't stop there. The cabin of the D180 is a testament to the importance of operator comfort. Adjustable seating and armrests allow for a tailored experience, ensuring that even the longest shifts don't feel like a grind. It's like sitting in the first-class seat of a powerhouse, with every control at your fingertips and every movement optimized for ease and precision. What truly sets the D180 apart isn't just its size or power, it's the intelligence behind its design. The controls are intuitive, making it easy for operators to handle the dozer and blade with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't a machine that fights you, it works with you, ensuring every task is executed flawlessly. The D180 even offers 2 distinct steering systems, catering to different operator preferences. Whether you're navigating a rugged construction site or performing delicate land-leveling tasks, this bulldozer adapts to your needs, providing a smooth, seamless driving experience in any condition. The New Holland D180 isn't just about looking good, it's built to perform. With impressive clearance and stability, it glides through dirt, rubble, and even challenging terrain like it's nothing. Picture this. A massive mound of debris looms ahead, an intimidating obstacle for most machines. The D180, however, approaches it like a breeze. With a roar of its engine and a single smooth push, the mound crumbles, effortlessly reshaped by this mechanical marvel. This isn't brute force, it's calculated, controlled power. Every move of the blade, every turn of the track is executed with a level of precision that transforms backbreaking tasks into child's play. The D180 doesn't just excel in performance, it cares about the person in the driver's seat. Long gone are the days of enduring dusty, noisy cabs that leave operators drained and frustrated. The D180's advanced sealing system keeps out dust, dirt, and noise, creating a quiet, focused environment that allows operators to concentrate fully on the task at hand. Its floor-to-ceiling glass design offers an unobstructed view of the work area, providing unparalleled visibility. You're not just controlling the D180, you're commanding it, with a clear view of every inch of the blade and track. It's this attention to detail that turns the D180 from a mere machine into a trusted partner. The New Holland D180 isn't just another bulldozer. It's a game changer that redefines what heavy machinery can be. It combines raw power with cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort, ensuring that operators don't just get the job done, they dominate it. Whether it's clearing rubble, leveling land, or tackling the toughest job sites, the D180 makes it all look easy. It's a machine that doesn't just move dirt, it moves the needle on what's possible in construction and engineering. Caterpillar D9, a machine so robust, so relentless, that it has earned its place as an indestructible icon in the world of heavy equipment. Since its debut in the 1950s, the D9 hasn't just survived, it has thrived, proving time and again that classics aren't just built to last, they're built to dominate. The story of the Caterpillar D9 begins in the rugged terrains and unforgiving conditions of mining and construction sites. Weighing in at a colossal 49 tons and powered by an impressive 474 horsepower engine, this bulldozer doesn't just move earth, it transforms landscapes. From carving through rocky hillsides to clearing dense forests, the D9's raw power makes it an unstoppable force. But power alone doesn't make a legend. What sets the D9 apart is its elevated sprocket design, a feature that not only enhances maneuverability, but also reduces wear and tear on its undercarriage. This innovative design allows the D9 to glide through rough terrains with an agility that seems almost supernatural for a machine of its size. While other bulldozers falter under the weight of challenging conditions, the D9 thrives, tackling every obstacle with unwavering confidence. The Caterpillar D9 isn't just a bulldozer, it's a testament to engineering excellence. Its design has evolved over decades, incorporating cutting-edge technology while staying true to its roots. The D9's legendary durability has made it a go-to choice for industries where failure isn't an option. In mining and forestry operations, where machines are pushed to their limits, the D9 shines as a beacon of reliability. It's not uncommon to see older models still hard at work, their engines roaring as they tackle tasks that would leave newer machines in the dust. If you think machinery has an expiration date, the D9 is here to rewrite the rules. What truly cements the D9's status as an icon isn't just its brute strength, it's the intelligence behind its design. Caterpillar has continuously refined the D9 to include modern features that enhance both performance and efficiency. The elevated sprocket, for example, not only improves the bulldozer's ability to navigate rough terrain, but also minimizes maintenance needs, saving time and money for operators. Paired with an optional rear ripper and a formidable front blade, the D9 is a versatile powerhouse capable of ripping through compacted soil, grading slopes, and even breaking through rock-hard surfaces. This is a machine that doesn't just do the job, it dominates it, proving that smart engineering is the ultimate force multiplier. While most machines are phased out after a few decades, the Caterpillar D9 continues to evolve and adapt. Its legacy began in 1954 with the prototype D9X, and it has only grown stronger with each iteration. Today's flagship model, the D9T, incorporates advanced features like automated controls and real-time monitoring systems, ensuring that the D9 remains as relevant as ever. In an industry obsessed with what's next, the D9 stands tall as a reminder that some designs are simply timeless. It's not just a bulldozer, it's a symbol of endurance, a machine that refuses to be outpaced or outclassed. What makes the Caterpillar D9 truly remarkable is its adaptability. This is a bulldozer that doesn't just perform, it thrives in the harshest environments. Whether it's clearing debris in the aftermath of natural disasters, carving paths through dense forests, or operating in extreme mining conditions, the D9 never backs down. Its ability to endure while delivering unparalleled performance has earned it a cult following among operators and industry professionals. For those who rely on heavy machinery to get the job done, the D9 isn't just a tool, it's a trusted ally. Imagine standing in a vast open mining site under the blazing sun, surrounded by mountains of raw earth and stone. Amid the hum of heavy machinery, there's a sound that seems to vibrate the ground itself, a low, rumbling giant that makes everything around it seem small. That's the Bel Az E75710, the largest haul truck in the world, and it's here to move mountains. Now picture this. In 2014, at one of the largest mining sites in Siberia, the crew faced a daunting task. Massive amounts of material had to be transported across the rough, uneven terrain in record time. It was a job that would have taken a fleet of trucks, but the Bel Az 75710 took on the challenge alone. Powered by two 2,300 horsepower engines, it rolled into action, with each tire towering over a human, each capable of bearing thousands of pounds of weight. As the story goes, some workers on the ground were doubtful. How could even a machine like this haul such loads across such distance without constantly breaking down? But as it moved load after load with effortless power, the doubts faded. The Bel Az E75710 kept at it, day after day, proving it wasn't just big, it was built to last. In a single haul, it moved over 450 tons of earth, a load that would normally take 3 or 4 trucks. To this day, it's still hard to comprehend its scale until you see it in action. This mighty truck remains a legend in the mining world, a symbol of how innovation can redefine what's possible in the most demanding environments on Earth. With every load it carries, the Bel Az E75710 tells a story of strength, resilience, and engineering brilliance that has pushed mining into a whole new era. Komatsu D575A-3SD. Nicknamed the Bulldozer Behemoth, this gargantuan piece of engineering marvel doesn't just move Earth. It reshapes landscapes and redefines what's possible. With sheer power coursing through its veins and a design crafted for maximum efficiency, the D575A-3SD stands as the king of the earth-moving jungle. Imagine a machine so massive it dwarfs most others in its class. Stretching over 38 feet in length, nearly 25 feet in width, and tipping the scales at a jaw-dropping 152 tons, the Komatsu D575A-3SD isn't just big, it's monstrous. But this beast isn't all brawn. It's a masterclass in precision engineering. Its automatic torque converter system is a game-changer, seamlessly transferring every ounce of its engine's immense power directly to the ground. This means the D575A-3SD doesn't just work hard, it works smart, turning raw energy into unrelenting force while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Whether it's cutting through compacted earth, pushing massive mounds of debris, or tackling seemingly impassable terrains, this bulldozer doesn't know the meaning of the word quit. Beneath its rugged exterior lies an engine that roars like a lion and performs like a finely tuned orchestra. The D575A-3SD's 1,100 horsepower diesel engine propels it forward with an unstoppable momentum. Yet despite this immense power, the machine's advanced design ensures precision and control, making it as capable in delicate operations as it is in all-out earth-moving battles. Its blade, a colossal tool spanning nearly 24 feet, can push up to 90 cubic yards of material in a single pass. That's the equivalent of moving a small house with every stroke, and while other bulldozers might tremble under such a load, the D575A takes it in stride, turning daunting challenges into routine tasks. For all its might, the Komatsu D575A-3SD isn't just about brute strength, it's about operator excellence. The cabin is a sanctuary amidst the chaos of construction sites, equipped with cutting-edge controls and ergonomic seating that prioritize comfort and efficiency. The ride is shockingly smooth for a machine of this size, thanks to its advanced suspension system and torque converter lockup clutch. Long hours on rough terrain feel like a breeze, allowing operators to stay focused and productive without fatigue. In an industry where performance depends as much on the human element as on the machine itself, this bulldozer ensures its operator is always at the top of their game. The Komatsu D575A-3SD doesn't shy away from the most demanding tasks. Whether it's leveling land for a major infrastructure project, cutting through solid rock in a mining operation, or navigating treacherous terrain, this machine thrives where others fail. Its impressive reliability comes from a robust frame and components designed to withstand relentless stress. Maintenance? Minimal. Downtime? Rare. This bulldozer doesn't just deliver results, it guarantees them, making it a favorite for professionals who demand the best. Since its debut, the Komatsu D575A-3SD has become a legend in its own right. Its combination of power, precision, and efficiency has earned it a place among the giants of heavy machinery. But it's not just the machine's size or specs that make it iconic. It's the way it turns impossible tasks into feats of engineering brilliance. When you see the Komatsu D575A-3SD in action, it's not just moving earth, it's rewriting the rules of what a bulldozer can achieve. This is more than a machine. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of excellence.